how to create new group call on Botim app. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create new group call on your Botim app. The first thing to do is to open up the Botim app application. Okay, so once you've opened up the application, you'll be taken to the interface. It could be the calls, it could be chats, it could be any of the options below, depending on the last thing you did on your app. Okay, so wherever you find yourself, ensure you go ahead and click on the calls icon. And once you click on the calls icon, this will be your interface. So once you're on this interface, the next thing for you to do is to click on the plus icon by the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on the plus icon, a box will be displayed asking you new call or scan QR code. Click on new call, and then you'll see new group call, the first option here. Just click on it, and then you can decide to invite them via a link by clicking on invite via a link. And then to do this, ensure you set up your microphone and the camera is on. And if you want to do that, you redirect to your settings where you are to set that up by clicking on permission, and then you go ahead and select microphone, allow using the app, go back, and then as well as camera. And then once you're done, you'll be directed back to your Botim app. Now on this app, you can now copy the link and then share it to your friends. Or case already, just end the call. Or you can just decide to select the calls, to select the contacts one after the other, and then hold a group call. You can do it any way you want, but this is how you can create new group call on Botim app. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.